What a comprehensive and exciting topic. Here's a 15-step ultimate guide for beginners on e-commerce platforms with AR/VR integration in 2024. Step 1. Understanding AR/VR. AR, augmented reality, and VR, virtual reality, are technologies that enhance the online shopping experience by overlaying digital information onto the physical world or creating immersive virtual environments. Familiarize yourself with the basics of AR, VR, and their applications in e-commerce. Step 2. Choosing an e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform that supports AR/VR integration, such as Shopify with Shopify AR, Magento with Magento AR, WooCommerce with WooCommerce AR, BigCommerce with BigCommerce AR. Step 3. Planning your AR/VR strategy. Define your business goals and objectives for incorporating AR/VR into your e-commerce platform. Identify your target audience and their needs. Research competitors and market trends. Step 4. Selecting an AR/VR solution. Choose an AR/VR solution that integrates with your chosen e-commerce platform, such as Meta's Spark AR, Google's Arcor, Apple's ARKit, Vuzix's Blade Smart Glasses. Step 5. Creating a prototype. Design a prototype for your AR/VR experience using a tool like Sketch or Figma. Create a wireframe or mock-up of your product page with AR/VR integration. Step 6. Developing your AR/VR experience. Use a development tool like Unity or Unreal Engine to build your AR/VR experience. Integrate your AR/VR solution with your e-commerce platform. Step 7. Testing your AR/VR experience. Test your AR/VR experience on various devices and platforms. Ensure that your experience is seamless, user-friendly, and functional. Step 8. Optimizing for mobile. Optimize your AR/VR experience for mobile devices, as they are the most common platform for online shopping. Ensure that your experience works well on different mobile devices and browsers. Step 9. Content creation. Create high-quality content for your AR/VR experience, including product images, videos, and 3D models. Ensure that your content is optimized for different devices and platforms. Step 10. Product modeling. Create 3D models of your products using software like Blender or Maya. Optimize your 3D models for use in your AR/VR experience. Step 11. Integration with e-commerce platform. Integrate your AR/VR experience with your e-commerce platform. Ensure that your experience is seamless and functional across different platforms. Step 12. Launching your AR/VR experience. Launch your AR/VR experience on your e-commerce platform. Promote your experience through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Step 13. Analyzing performance. Analyze the performance of your AR/VR experience using tools like Google Analytics. Track metrics such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction. Step 14. Improving your experience. Use data from analytics to improve your AR/VR experience. Make adjustments to content, design, and functionality to optimize performance. Step 15. Scaling your experience. Scale your AR/VR experience to accommodate growth and increasing demand. Continuously monitor and improve your experience to stay ahead of the competition. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate AR/VR into your e-commerce platform and provide a unique and engaging shopping experience for your customers.